Good morning, I am Sandra Habana and welcome to Capstone 2, Week 3, Lesson 2. Hello class, how are you today? Great, okay, it's nice to see you. So, okay, I'd like you to think of the use of past simple. What's the use of past simple? Anyone? Yes, Carlo. Okay, very good. So, to talk about the thing or something that happened in the past. Okay, very good. So, can you give me verbs that are in past simple? Yes? Eat. Is it past simple? What is the past tense of eat? Ate. Okay. Okay, what else? Gave. Okay. What else? Watch. Watched. Okay. Yes, for the past tense. So, we have to add ed. Okay. Watched. Okay, one more time. Watched. Very good. Okay, what else? Made. Yes. Okay, very good. Saw. Okay. Saw. Cook. Cook is present simple. What is past simple of cook? Cooked. Okay. Again, we have to add ed. Cooked. Okay, one more time. Cooked. Very good. So, I will introduce to you some more verbs. Okay. Can you please all read this? Okay, one by one. Wished. Okay, very good. Hated. Okay, one more time. Hated. Okay. Enjoyed. Again. Enjoyed. Okay, good. Needed. Needed. Okay. Lived. Okay, one more time. Lived. Picked. Okay. Again. Picked. Okay, very good. So, what did you notice here with the pronunciation? Wished, hated, enjoyed, needed, lived, picked. Different pronunciations? Right. So even though they all end with ed. Yes. They all end with ed. However, they have different pronunciations. Like how many? Okay. Wished. Yes. Wished. What sound? T. Okay. Hated. Hated. What sound? K. Id. Okay. So, enjoyed. Enjoyed. Yes. D. Okay, so how many? How many ways can they be pronounced? 3. Okay. Yes, that's right. So they may be confusing, but you just have to practice and pronounce the word to listen to the correct pronunciation. Right. So I'd like you to put them in the correct column. Okay, so you said we have A, D, T, and ID. Okay. So what word is under D? D. Okay, what word? Wished, hated, enjoyed, needed, lived, picked. Yes, enjoyed. Okay. What else? Lived. Okay, very good. How about wished? Okay, correct. Awesome. Another one. Picked. Excellent. Okay. How about id? Id. Hated. Hated. Okay. And the last one, needed. Needed. Okay. Alright, so I'd like you to think of 2 more words that you can put under the 3 columns. Okay, that's all. Thank you.